See, I've made a little lamp out of stuff I found around the house because I have a little problem for you. Here's the situation. A storm. Electricity is out completely. No candles, no kerosene lamps, no flashlights, and it's up to you to figure out how to help your parents by making some source of light. Okay? That's your problem. How does a kerosene lamp work?
Well, there's oil at the bottom, and then there's a thread called a wick that goes right up to the top. And when you light the wick, the oil flows up the thread and keeps the flame continually burning.
Okay, so that's what we have to reproduce somehow with stuff you can find around the house. Yep. First of all, I said no kerosene, so what are you going to use in place of kerosene? You've got oil of some kind. What kind of oil have you got around the house?
Cooking oil.
Like that?
Yeah.
That's corn oil. Okay, now we have a supply of oil for fuel. What's the next thing you need?
Wick and
okay. You got string?
Yes, I got lots of it.
Lots of string? Okay, well, you have to make that into a wick somehow. And here's how I made mine. See what that is?
Yeah. You put it through a bolt.
Yes. You got nuts and bolts around the house?
Yeah, I got plenty.
Okay. So you force a bunch of them through there in order to make a little wick out of it. Then you need a container to put it in, and I use these little aluminum things. Here, you spread the bottom of the wick so it goes all over and I'll move this one out of the way. That's the idea. Okay, now. Okay, now we need a supply of oil. Simply pour a layer of oil on there. Okay, that's enough for now. Now you gotta light it. Now, it doesn't light easily because it's not nearly as flammable as kerosene, so it might take a little while to get it going. Got it? Try under the edge over there. Okay, now it'll gradually get bigger and bigger and bigger. And the one I made earlier has been burning for, over an hour, and it hasn't really used up the supply of oil yet. So now how are you going to... When this emergency takes place, how are you going to help your parents? What are you going to do?
Well, I'll take a nut and some twine and stick the twine through the nut and then put it in one of these aluminum muffins and put them in there and spread them apart and then put some cooking oil and then light it.
All right. And you've got an emergency candle. Very good, Eugene.